Good morning. It is a real joy to be able to share and spend a few moments with you. And I want to say thank you to all of you. And this morning, let's reflect out of Exodus 32, a different noise that was in the camp. And when Joshua and Moses were coming down from the mountain, and Joshua turned to Moses and said, I hear a noise, I hear a sound of the people, and they were shouting, but it was the noise of war in the camp. They had just been delivered out of Egypt, out of slavery, and they were in a place of waiting to hear, because Moses had gone before God, and they turned to another idol, the gold and rings from the ladies, and they built a calf. That's the context. And Joshua says, there's a noise of war in the camp. When you and I turn inward to our own strength, to our own idols, to our own things that are silver and gold to us, it can be so many different things. Our own abilities, my own talents, my own who I am, and my own charisma, and so forth. When I turn to that I will be at war. There's a noise of war that comes up. And it says here, is it not the noise of victory? It is not the noise of the cry of defeat, but it's the sound of singing that I hear. Are you singing your own melody, your own tone, praising yourself? The Bible says, let another man praise you, not your own lips. Are you singing your own, what you were able to accomplish and what you did? Have you forgotten what you've been delivered out of? Sometimes we got to go back, and if we're at war within ourselves, and ask the question, have I settled to sing my own praises and around myself? Or am I shouting the shout of victory? Sometimes we have defeat, but out of our defeat we cry out and we remember from whence we came. Friend, shout the shout of victory to the one who brought you out of all your bondages and slavery. And have yourself a lovely coffee day.